Hey everybody, we just checked into the Gran Destino Tower at Coronado Springs and we're gonna go and check out our room. You enter the floor that you want to go to, and it tells you which elevator to go to. F. I was gonna say, is that a grade, Dawn?
You got F.
Alright, so when you immediately walk into our room, to the right is the, oh wow, the bathroom's really nice. So you have the bathroom. The lights are to the left. It's a beautiful shower. Look at that tile, that's really nice. Beautiful shower heads. You still have the built-in H2Os, the shelf. Nothing to put your feet on to shave your legs. Don't love that. Deluxe only, I guess. His and her sinks, cute, all the towels, all the accoutrements, huge mirror with lights all around it. Your little close-up and personal mirror. Here is the potty room. Not party, potty. And this is where they keep your towels. I guess they keep your towels in with the toilet. That's weird. Very pretty artwork. I'm definitely going to be taking my towel out and hanging it anywhere else. There's a nice sliding door to close the whole bathroom area off, and there was a door to close off the toilet area. You come on in, this is a closet, you have your ironing board, the extra blanket, it's backlit, you have hangers, Conair steam iron, very nice, safe, storage, thing for your luggage, closes right up. Lights turn off. You come into the room to the left. There's another place for luggage, or if you want to sit there. It's so bright and open and lovely. You have 2 queen beds in this room. This really beautiful mirror. Temperature control, outlet. Each side has a reading light. Rolling Watson party. You have your Keurig, ice bucket, cups. In here you have your little mini fridge, a little area for work, if that's why you're here. Cute, cute little welcome gift, thank you. Your television. Some drawers for storage. 3 here. They're pretty good size, honestly. They're very wide. Not terribly deep, but very wide. Trash can and recycling. A nice little kind of like desk reading lamp situation in the corner. Beautiful view. This is the reason we stayed up on the 14th floor. Look at this. That over there is Three Bridges Bar, which is where they do the Sangria University. It's just, they don't have balconies here, which is kind of a bummer, but look Expedition Everest is right there. It's pretty spectacular of a view. That's the main pool over there, the dig site. You can see the pyramid. If you follow that long walkway down to the building with the blue roof, that is where the gift shop is and the quick service, and also Rick's Sports Bar. You come back to the beds. So it's not like some of the other rooms we've stayed at where there are outlets for days. There are a couple outlets on this lamp, USB ports, switch here. That does who knows what. Oh. This switch backlights the beds. So not a ton of outlets here, if that's your thing. Mom spotted a bunch of hidden Mickeys. I have to say, I love this wallpaper. Like all of oh, it's textured too. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice wallpaper. It is not the same as some of the resorts where you have all the Disney touches, but it is very chic. It's very pretty, and I have to say, very spacious, airy, open. It's a really beautiful resort. We love it here. I love the room. Everything is crisp and clean, and the view is spectacular. So thank you guys so much for taking the tour with us, with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.